Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get 4K CC quality in After Effects. All the plugins and materials used in this video are available on my Discord server. Before we start, I want to apologize for not doing a voiceover in this video. I don't have a good microphone right now, so this tutorial will be text-based. I will add an explanation whatever needed. Now without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
That's all. I will leave the CC and the project file download links in the description. Let me show you how to use them.